Good morning. And that's the only decent thing I'm gonna say for the rest of the night. Now, for who don't know Tony mentally ill, you're gonna know tonight. Ready?
This is our President Donald Trump, and I issue an executive order to capture and deport any illegal aliens caught on the 𝐬𝐮 cruise, which will be entering our waters and coming to Florida. Yes, we got good waters in Florida. Nice place, but make no mistakes, we are aware that Damian and Stephen Marley had nothing to do with this. Yes, the Marleys, good people, very nice people. I've asked FBI personally to kill or capture the fugitive Dynamic and Warrior should be killed on sight because they're both pedophile, and we have intel that they raped some goats while they was in 𝐬𝐨𝐧𝐝. Goat rapers are monsters, and these poor little goats won't be able to get curry. Let us make 𝐬𝐮 cruise great again and get rid of this retarded Japanese guy. That sushi-eating prick. Remember, it was under my administration when we deported Simon and Sammy Tay.
Stop.
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
Fucking Japanese boy.
All the while you fly come my yard, come yam off with puss and with dog. But Matarana go kill your son tonight and send your body to the morgue. He ma go bury them, chew them up dog ear pan them mouth. He ma bury them east, west, north and south. He ma bury them. Tony Matarana go bury them. Come in Junior Cat, come bury them.
Japanese, I tell you I go dead. Then you have the dog, them out, but shot in your way.
Love it.
The plates playing on the jam rock tonight.